Our goal is to lead the sheet metal forming industry with invention, innovation, resulting in product supplies through localization and globalization. With over 43 years of existence in the roll forming industry, our vision is to be the reliable global partner with best practices and work ethic. Since the inception of Mother India, the journey hasn't been smooth, though nothing is stopped in achieving many impossible goals. Invention is the backbone of Mother India, supported with a team of engineering specialists at R&D who collectively have more than 100 man-years of expertise in designing, developing sheet metal roll form components and processes.
We at Mother India Forming take pride in our commitment to innovation and cultural preservation within the manufacturing sector, providing customers with concept-to-component business solutions. Our strength lies in robust design, research and development capabilities, where Autodesk PDMC collection software, including AutoCAD, Autodesk Inventor, forms the backbone for our design process.
Our facilities includes open section roll forming, closed section roll forming, CNC 5-axis bending machine, laser cutting, welding, fabrication and many more to cater to needs of our customer. Our product development backed by the R&D team helps us to deliver the quality product at optimized cost.
Relying extensively on Autodesk Inventor, AutoCAD, our design workflow optimally utilizes key features like Inventor Studio, linear static simulation. Utilizing Autodesk Inventor for a 5-axis 3D bending simulation allowed us to proactively showcase our capabilities to our customers, installing confidence even before manufacturing begins. Over the past 3 years, our consistent annual growth of around 40% reflects our sustained success and expansion. Autodesk is an outstanding platform with seamlessly integrated top features across PDMC collections.
As a part of our CSR, we have developed the state-of-the-art technical training center with VR technologies supported by Autodesk products and in association with our industry peer.
Implementing the CAD system was a smooth process, with only consideration is being the cost, a concern addressed by opting for PDMC collection. Globally recognized as one of the few manufacturers producing numerous products, Autodesk products have been instrumental in elevating us to the prestigious position. We want to extend our heartfelt thanks to Autodesk's support team and our valued implementation partner, Capricot Technologies and ARKANCE company, for their invaluable assistance in successfully implementing Autodesk solutions. The training, software installation, support and project workflow guidance provided by Mr. Mahantesh from Capricot have greatly improved our design and manufacturing processes, providing solutions for every imaginable scenario. The most effective way to unlock the Autodesk full potential is by learning through hands-on experiments using the software. We would always recommend Autodesk PDMC package for manufacturing industries.